promise yourself to do a test later, only to find yourself panicking just moments before it's due. Well, you're not alone. A study by Pierre Steele of University of Calgary found that 80% of university students procrastinate, and 20% of them procrastinate chronically. Well, I am also a student, I am a business management student, and I find myself wrestling with procrastination daily. Even with my enthusiasm for reading and learning, I feel the urge to watch just one more video, to consume one more content before I do my test. This is not just a harmless habit, this is a productivity trap. It will steal our time, our confidence, and even our health. So I will present to you the 3 reasons on why we must stop procrastination. The first one is that procrastination causes our performance to suffer. A study in the Journal of Behavioral Science found that there is a link between procrastination with lower grades, missed deadlines, and also increased stress. The second one is about our stress and anxiety level. When we procrastinate, our cortisol level increases. Cortisol is the hormone which is responsible for managing stress. So when our cortisol increases, it may cause us harder to sleep, to focus, and also weaken our immune system. The third one is about our opportunity. Our opportunity will disappear when we procrastinate. In business, timing is very crucial. Timing is the difference between closing a deal and having that deal being taken by our competitor. So this is not just a time management problem, it is a success barrier. So how do we stop procrastinating? Most of the people I know, they realize that procrastination is a very, very, very bad habit. But they don't know how to stop. So the good news is procrastination is not permanent. We can stop procrastinating by doing small but intentional changes. So I will give you 3 strategies which you can use to stop procrastinating. The first one is to break tasks into micro tasks. For example, don't tell yourself that you will do a wallpaper today. Tell yourself that you will do only the introduction for the paper. Maybe it will take you only 5 minutes, but it will start you on doing your task. The second one is to implement the 2 minutes rule. The 2 minutes rule states that any task that takes less than 2 minutes to finish must be done immediately. And the last one, the third one, is to set public deadlines. You can tell your families and your friends that you have a deadline of a task by a set time. They will remind you, and of course, you will want to avoid public embarrassment, right? So you will get pushed to do the test by the set deadline. Okay, aside from that 3 strategies, I also have one more, which is to write the top 3 tasks that you must do tomorrow. For example, my top 3 tasks for tomorrow is to first record a video for work, second to do a school assignment for my strategic management, and the third one is to search for an interviewee for my entrepreneurial finance class. Okay, now just imagine 2 students. One is early, they do their task early, and the second one wait until the last moment before they do their task. So what do you think? Who will go into the class confident and who will go into the class exhausted? How good will it be if you are the prepared students? Now I have a challenge for you guys. Just take 10 seconds now, right now, to write a task or an activity that you are avoiding. I want you to write down the task and start doing it today. Stop overthinking it and doing it. This first step is sometimes the hardest, but precisely because it is the hardest, it is the most important. By doing this first step, you will break the chain of procrastination and start your momentum, to build your momentum. Now, time is the one resource which we cannot buy back. But procrastination will steal our time, minute by minute, hours by hours, opportunity by opportunity. As a person with a bright future ahead of us, we owe it to ourselves to do it today, not tomorrow. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the future is defined by our actions today. So stop procrastinating and start doing. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you very much. I am Richie from Professional Communication Class.